Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you 5 free dropshipping tools that will help in your dropshipping business. So the first tool we have is called interest.nerdysolutions.com. This is a website. You have to go to this website. This tool will reveal all the interest Facebook have. Okay, so sometimes even if you use the suggestions tab in Facebook, it tends to hide some of the interest. Okay, but if you use this, it will reveal all of them. So for example, you are selling something related to dog and you want to target dog. Okay, so let's just search dog and it will show you all the interest related to dog. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, and there you go, and this is all the pages, and there are a number of things you can target based on dog. Okay, so this way you can get the interest idea, and this is the first tool we have in the list. The next tool we have is actually a tool provided by Facebook itself. So you want to go to facebook.com/ads/library. Okay, after you go on that, you can type in any page name. For example, let's just do Higo Shop. I like doing Higo Shop because it is popular. Okay, so this is the page name you want to be spying on. So let's just say Higo Shop and you want to tap on that. Okay? So they have no ads running right now in India, but I believe if you do United States, they must be selling something right now. Okay, so we just do United States. Boom, you can see the ads they are right now running in United States, and these are all the ads they are running right now. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and also subscribe so that you don't miss any of the value related to e-commerce or dropshipping. The next tool we have in the list is called the Dropzip Toolkit. You want to go to this website and it will show you something like this, and what this does is it will show you the cost multiplier, the profit margin, and the break-even ROAS of any product. For example, let's say the product costs $5 and you sell it for $15. It shows you the cost multiplier, the profit margin, and the break-even ROAS. If you don't know what break-even ROAS is, it is the ROAS you should be getting to break even. Anything below that you will lose, and anything above that you are profitable. For a product, you want the break-even ROAS to be at the most around 1.7, 1.8. Anything more than that, you don't want to be selling this product. Okay, what I mean is that, for example, if the product costs $20 and you are selling it for $40, the break-even ROAS is 2. In this case, you don't want to sell this product. Okay, we want something like this, 1.5. Okay, this is a good break-even ROAS. This way it will be easy to get profitable. So look for products that have a break-even ROAS of around 1.5 or if possible below 1.5. The next tool we have in our list is actually a Chrome extension. So right now I'm in higoshop.com, and this could be any Shopify store you want. So you want to be visiting the store, you want to be spying. Once you go to the store, you want to click on the Chrome extension, which is called Commerce Inspector. You want to download this Chrome extension, and once you have that, it reveals the best selling and also the newest product the store is adding. In this way, you can spy any store you want. And it even shows you the number of visitors they have per month. So it has more than 100k visitors a month. This is a good free spy tool you can use to access all this information. The next tool I have here is another Chrome extension, which is called Turbo Ad Finder. I believe most of you have heard of this before, and what it does is when you turn this on, it will only show you sponsored posts in Facebook. Okay, so once you turn this on, it will only show you the posts which are an ad. Those are the free tools, guys, and next I will show you the best bet app and also give you the discount code so that you can get it for way cheaper. Hey guys, our next tool is not actually free, it is bad, but it is worth it. Okay, it comes at around $40 a month, but at the end of this video, I will give you the discount code so that you can get it a lot cheaper. Okay, so the first feature I like about this tool is this one. Okay, handpick, and here you can see a bunch of winning products, and these are the one which people are currently selling right now. Okay, and you can get more details about this product if you click on view product details. You can import directly to your Shopify. You can also see the description. Okay, you can see the description. You can also see the selling price, the product cost, and the profit margin. And also you can see the AliExpress supplier, the Amazon supplier, the Facebook ad, the store selling this product, and the video URL. Okay, and you have all the data about this product right here. Okay, this is the first feature I like about this tool. The next thing is the store analysis, which means that whatever store you type in here, it will reveal. Okay, so let's just say higoshop.com. I like to use Higoshop as an example because it is a big store. You can see their recently added products. You can see the best selling product. Okay, so this is the product they recently added, and you can spy all this, and you can even see how much money they are generating every single month. So if you are not good at editing video and making video ads, this video ad maker will solve it for you. Okay, for example, if you are selling not a problem solver but like a t-shirt or pants, it is very easy. You can just upload some photos and you can generate the video, and you can even customize the text, right? Know someone who need this, and all these users can customize whatever you want. The next thing I like is the product scraper, and here you can see 1,737,000 products have been analyzed by Scraper in the last 7 days, and here it will reveal all the AliExpress products. You can filter it by category, the weekly orders, the price, and you can see all of that. You can see the competition, you can see the number of orders and all those things. Okay, so this will give you an idea how the product is performing in the last few days, the last few months, whatever. So guys, trust me when I say this tool is absolutely worth it, and it comes at around $40 a month, but you can get it for less than $20. I'm going to give you the discount code at the end of this video. So if you want to get this tool, click on the first link in the description. Of course, it is an affiliate link. So if you want to help out this channel to grow and give you more value, please do sign it up from the link in the description. And yes, I will be giving you the discount code for that. So the discount code is trending 18. I got this from an Instagram ad, so if you have seen that before, you may know it, but using this discount code, you can get Scraper for less than $20, and it is absolutely worth it. So guys, thank you for watching the video, and once again, I hope you like and subscribe to this channel, and bye. If you want a dropshipping video ad which will give you high click-through rate and drive instant traffic to your store, check out our Facebook Best e-commerce winners in the link in description. The price starts from just $10. If you want a converting product description which looks professional and which will boost your conversion rate, the price starts from just $5. If you want a 7-figure design dropshipping store, it can be a general, a niche, or a one product store, the price starts from just $80.